Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD SEK Key dollar level analysis http ntvforex.com news ID 5272C58172025 2 p.m. The US dollar has reached extremely oversold levels. Only a few times this century has the global reserve currency been so unloved. Much of its recent weakness can be attributed to its loss of purchasing power in terms of gold. Before the pandemic hit, gold had broken its all-time highs when priced in every major currency aside from the US dollar. The USD had the most to lose in a strong gold rally. Below, see the recent price consolidation around the $8.70 level for the NBSP USD SEK NBSP pair. I would argue any sustainable bullish breakout from this level will be one of the tougher tests for the dollar in FX markets. The pair should remain an important barometer for dollar strength or weakness in the foreseeable future. Fiscal and monetary policy actions in Sweden often fly under the radar. Sweden is a member of the frugal 4 EU nations, along with Denmark, Austria, and the Netherlands. Given the Swedish government's reputation for fiscal austerity, it's no surprise that the krona has acted as a safe haven currency since March. Other NBSP advanced nations have been printing money and spending at a record pace while Sweden resisted the urge to panic. Policymakers in Sweden must have done a cost-benefit analysis at the onset of the pandemic and decided to avoid burdening future generations with large debts. Comparing the charts below fiscal expenditures, we can see that Sweden's fiscal position has deteriorated to a much less significant degree than the United States this year. NBSPA charts priced in sovereign currency terms NBSP since March, the krona has appreciated by a whopping 9% against the euro and 16% against the US dollar. The krona should serve as an interesting risk barometer from this point onward as a result of its disciplined policy actions and clear outperformance since March. We can also look at the quarterly growth rates of the two nations below to see another reason why the krona has performed so well to date in 2020. From a macro perspective, Sweden is likely to remain in an enviable position as the world recovers from the pandemic. The frugal European nation will have a lower risk of unwanted inflationary pressures in the future and much less economic destruction to repair. NBSP 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 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.